Sectoral Information Systems and Services, the Environmental Sector in Zambia. Introduction to Environmental Management and Development. Development is fundamentally about improving people's livelihoods and welfare to achieve higher standards of living. The environment, encompassing everything around us, forms the basis of our livelihood. Therefore, development can be understood as the process of people interacting with their environment, including air, water, land, fisheries, minerals, wildlife, etc., to satisfy their needs. This interaction between humans and the environment can be both productive and destructive. It's crucial to sensitize people about these different ways of interacting with the environment to promote sustainable development practices. Types of environmental information. To foster sustainable development and environmental conservation, various types of information are required. These include land management, information on sustainable land use practices, soil conservation, and land degradation prevention. Water management, data on water resources, conservation methods, and sustainable usage. Waste management, information on proper waste disposal, recycling, and waste reduction strategies. Effects of pollution, knowledge about various types of pollution and their impacts on the environment and human health. Recycling, information on recycling processes, benefits, and how to implement recycling programs. For instance, in Zambia, information about sustainable farming practices is crucial for land management, given that agriculture is a significant sector of the economy. Similarly, data on water management is vital for the country, which faces challenges related to water scarcity in some regions. Systems providing environmental information. International level. United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. UNEP is a UN agency with a mission to provide leadership and encourage partnership in caring for the environment. It aims to inspire, inform, and enable nations and peoples to improve their quality of life without compromising that of future generations. UNEP operates an information system called INFITERA, International Environmental Research and Referral Service, established in 1977. INFITERA provides access to authoritative information on environmental matters and promotes information exchange among countries worldwide. Key features of INFITERA include National Focal Points, NFPs, in all participating countries. Listing of sources of environmental information at the national level through NFPs. Regional service centers to promote regional cooperation in dealing with environmental information. INFITERA database available in hard copy as the National Directory of Sources and in digital form. In Zambia, INFITERA likely works through a designated national focal point, providing access to global environmental information and facilitating the sharing of Zambia's environmental data with the international community. Local level. Zambia Environmental Management Agency, ZEMA. ZEMA is the primary agency responsible for environmental management in Zambia. It provides for integrated environmental management, protection and conservation, sustainable management and use of natural resources, preparation of the State of Environmental Report. ZEMA plays a crucial role in disseminating environmental information within Zambia. It likely maintains databases on various environmental parameters, conducts environmental impact assessments, and provides guidelines for sustainable development practices. For example, ZEMA might provide information on air and water quality standards, environmental regulations and compliance requirements, guidelines for environmental impact assessments, data on Zambia's biodiversity and conservation efforts, information on climate change impacts and adaptation strategies specific to Zambia. Conclusion. The environmental sector in Zambia, as in many developing countries, faces the challenge of balancing economic development with environmental conservation. Effective environmental information systems are crucial for informed decision-making, policy formulation, and public awareness. While Zambia has made progress in establishing environmental information systems, both through international cooperation, like UNEP's Infotera, and local institutions like SEMA, there's always room for improvement. Challenges may include ensuring wide accessibility of environmental information, especially in rural areas, keeping information up to date in the face of rapidly changing environmental conditions, integrating traditional ecological knowledge with scientific data, building capacity for environmental data collection and analysis. As Zambia continues to develop, the role of these environmental information systems will become increasingly important. They will be crucial in addressing environmental challenges, informing policy decisions, and ultimately contributing to sustainable development that improves livelihoods while preserving Zambia's rich natural heritage. The integration of international and local information systems provides a comprehensive framework for environmental management in Zambia. However, continuous efforts are needed to improve the collection, analysis, and dissemination of environmental information, especially in emerging areas such as climate change adaptation and sustainable resource management.